until 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time Tuesday. Locations: Ellensburg, Thorpe, Natchez, Sunnyside, Toppenish, Yakima. Ice accumulations up to 0.2 of an inch. Snow accumulations up to 2 inches. Timing: snow will begin by evening and continue overnight, changing to a wintry mix of snow and sleet. The precipitation will taper off early in the morning Tuesday. Impacts: roads will become covered with snow and ice, creating hazardous driving conditions. Winds: southwest 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Webpage: for a detailed view of the hazard area, visit www.wrh.noaa.gov/map/Pendleton. A winter weather advisory means that periods of snow, sleet, or freezing rain will cause travel difficulties. Be prepared for slippery roads and limited visibilities, and use caution while driving. Winter weather advisory remains in effect until 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time Tuesday. Locations: Cleveland, Cliffdale. Ice accumulations up to 0.1 of an inch. Snow accumulations 2 to 4 inches. Timing: snow will continue overnight, changing to a wintry mix of snow, sleet, and freezing rain. The precipitation will taper off early in the morning Tuesday. Impacts: roads will become covered with snow and ice, creating hazardous driving conditions. Winds: southwest 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Webpage: for a detailed view of the hazard area, visit www.wrh.noaa.gov/map/Pendleton. A winter weather advisory means that periods of snow, sleet, or freezing rain will cause travel difficulties. Be prepared for slippery roads and limited visibilities, and use caution while driving. This is NOAA Weather in Pendleton, broadcasting from KIG75 in Yakima. The forecast for the Yakima Valley, including Sunnyside in Yakima, issued at 7:56 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Monday, December 19th. Winter weather advisory in effect until 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time Tuesday. For rest of tonight, rain likely and a chance of light freezing rain in the evening, then rain and a chance of light freezing rain overnight. View ice accumulation at 1/10 of an inch. Lows 15 to 25. Southwest wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation near 100%. For Tuesday, mostly cloudy. A 20% chance of rain in the morning. Breezy. Not as cool. Highs 44 to 49. Southwest wind 10 to 15 miles an hour, shifting west 15 to 25 miles per hour in the afternoon. Gusts around 40 miles an hour. For Tuesday night, mostly clear. Lows 22 to 27. West wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. And for Wednesday, partly cloudy. Highs 35 to 40. Southwest wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. The forecast for the Kittitas Valley